Hello guys, my name is Denver Fama from FMS4 and my thoughts or reflection about the first online class is uh, bisag dagan na kayo mga naitabo diri sa General Santos City. We still continue our class nga tuloy-tuloy japon bisag unsaon makita yung paraan. Then my expectation about this subject is magiging open-minded ko sa tanan kay because na may according to our subject is gender society, which is to identify the individual or biological identity to every person. That's all and thank you.